Alright, so today we're checking out these NAO LED headlights on a F250. First, you're going to want to remove the cover or mount for the F250 headlight. And you're just going to want to twist it counterclockwise. It's basically a plastic ring over the headlight that's in there. So that's that plastic piece. This is your headlight. And it's pretty much a plug and play option to go from there. This is the piece you detach. I used a plastic tool to spread it apart. A little pry bar right here. Pop it off. There you go. Next up is the NAO headlight. So you got two here. So the blue piece really just plugs right into your existing headlight feature. And you see your LED and its heatsink. And there you go. By there, you basically have a powered LED replace a headlight. Let's go ahead and plug it in and turn it on and see if it works before we go with the effort of installing it. And there you go. Functional tests, always good to check these before you go install it and go through the effort of going that far ahead. Might as well plug it in and see if it works. So we know it works, we'll go ahead and turn it off and go for the next steps. So you want to take this insulation housing and slide it up over the rest of the headlight, and it's kind of a tight fit, so you have to kind of work at it a little bit. And you'll see the markers on there for the alignment into the actual headlight itself. But if you get this positioned to this point right here where it's just kind of sitting right at the headlight, you'll want to go ahead and move on forward, and you'll press the headlight into the housing using the red gasket as your seal, and this back ring just really is serve as your locker. Get a better view. Scoot over a little bit. There you go. So you'll see you want to just kind of press that light back into the housing and then let that red O-ring kind of serve as your seal. And you'll slide that plastic ring back over it and you line up the slot so that it is your locker. It's basically going to push it back over the housing and turn it clockwise, and that will help seal the headlight into the housing of the headlight beam so you don't get any moisture into there. Push it in clockwise and you're set. As simple as that. It's super easy to install it. Not that hard. No tools required. Make sure it's on the firm, and we'll take a look at what it looks like after the fact. So here is the headlight with the NAO headlight. Kind of a whitish blue almost, not like too blue. It's a pretty bright white. Take a look at the driver's side, which is the factory headlight or just stock headlight bulb. A lot yellower, not nearly as bright. This is in the daylight. So we'll switch over to a night shot here. You can see the difference between the passenger side NAO headlight, LED headlight, and your stock one. A lot brighter, a lot more natural light, a lot wider of a beam. Super easy to install. Definitely a big improvement from your factory headlight. Well worth the $30 investment to get some better light out there.